Hey Trendy Squad, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing skin. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the tips and tricks for revitalizing your skin. So I hope you're ready to get started with me. Okay, step one, micellar water. Grab your cotton round, squirt, squirt. Okay, go ahead and clean off all the makeup and dirt off of your face. You can do this as many times as you need in order to remove all of the makeup. Ugh, yes. Go ahead and grab your face wash. I use the Aveeno Positively Radiant. I wet my face with warm water and then I apply a little bit onto my hands and then I go ahead and scrub. Key tip, pat dry your face with a fresh paper towel. Next is a face mask. Yes, this is Indian Healing Clay. Go ahead and follow the mixing instructions that are listed on the container. I actually just use water, but you can also use apple cider vinegar. This is a face mask that tightens over time, so don't be afraid. 10 minutes later, it will be very tight. Ugh. Pat dry again. I feel so refreshed right now. Time for some toner. I use the Thayers facial toner with the rose petal just to help even out my skin tone. So I apply this 3 different times using 3 different cotton rounds in different sections of my face. And don't forget your neck, makeup falls down there as well. Time to moisturize. This is the, wait, can you see that? This is the Tarte drink of H2O. This is one of my favorites. It is a gel-based moisturizer. I usually take it off of the lid, so that way I do not contaminate the inside of my container, even though my hands are clean. So I just dab it on the different sections of my face and then rub it in. Next up is some coconut oil. I've been using the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Overnight Oil on my face. It's very, very moisturizing, and I like the fact that it's pretty lightweight in comparison to using straight up coconut oil from the grocery store. The next oil that I'm using on my face is Rosehip Oil. I'm applying this into the areas on my face that are darker. So right here I have this dark spot right there, and then under my eyes for the under eye darkness. You cannot forget your lips, girl. So I use the Carmex Classic Lip Balm and I apply this every single night. All right, we are done. Just continue to do this routine every single night until your face is revitalized and back to normal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.